What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another little firework stash pickup right here. Something light, nothing too big. Iron Giants. 22 of these. Fucking bangers. All day. 24 of these shits hit hard, bro. You see them, pick them up. Fucking Porky Rolls. Rooster Rolls rewrap. If you know, you know. Hopefully this shit's a banger. You know, a little Midnight Sky. 132 shots, if I'm not mistaken. It's just badass. Then also I got da-na-na, da-na-na. A little 4-incher, something light. Got 3 of those in there. Iron Giant. Little 4-inchers. Porky Rolls. Midnight Sky. Something light, but heavy hitters.